guys, I'm going to tour you around our hotel room here in Yokohama. So I'm going to start here, entering our room, and this is the bathroom.
The free toiletries. We have the bathtub here. Oh, and the vlogger. No, the slugger.
We also have our small fridge right here. Paano ba tayo open yun? Oh! Libre ba to?
No, you have to pay.
So we have, ano to te?
I don't know, it's cheapest for golf.
Ano?
I think we're gonna drink of that.
Ito, ugay, pang ugay? Ano to?
No.
Pang gargle? Oh, we also have M&M's.
You better not touch that one.
Orange juice. What? And I think this is not for free. You have to pay for this one. So let's close it. Allergy. So dito we have our coffee maker or in-room bar, as they call it. So we have our teacups right here and show them this one. What's inside? So we have green tea. What is
Yokohama
this?
blend.
Yokohama blend coffee and little yellow label.
This creamy powder for the coffee.
And this one is white sugar. And entering our main area. Outside is my bed. I'm going to sleep here later. And this is for my helper. And right here, we have a space where we can put our luggage and our bags. Yan. So, moving on. So, dito mo tayo sa, drone. So, wala naman. Dito siya matutulog mamaya. Yan, dito siya matutulog. Lagyan natin ng pillow dyan. And we have our safety box right here.
You can just place all your valuables inside.
Shocking. So, moving on. Come closer. Oh, we also have our pajamas right here. Oh, and we have our laundry bag here. We don't need that, so let's put it back. And we have and come closer. Oh, what is this? Can you explain to them what is this?
It's basically the guide of how, the services in the menus that the hotel offers. Yes.
Let's close it. I didn't understand what you're talking about. So, let's proceed. And what's amazing about this room is our view outside. So, okay. Then, yan. So, I'm going to show you what's the view outside. Charan!
Yeah! Yokohama Bay.
So you can also chill in this area. We also have our, what do you call this one?
Sit by the window.
So you can sit by the window and like chill. And so our luggage arrived. Arigatou gozaimasu.